guys, for today's video, tempura po. Tempura is popular in Japanese dishes. Portuguese traders in 16th century introduced it to Japan. Sila po nagpakilala niyan dito. Pwede po tayo maglagay ng carrots, black pepper, white onion, green onion, pwede rin po ang talong, kalabasa, okra, hipon, pusit, at pwede po tayo mag-invent ng kahit try yung ibang gulay na gusto nyo, pwede rin po yan. Isinuserve po ito with a dipping sauce.